Hi everyone, this is Rajdeep Banerjee. Welcome to English is Easy with RB. Today we are going to learn 3 expressions using ask. Ask after someone, ask for, and for the asking. Let's deal with ask after someone first. Remember, ask after someone is an informal expression. It means to ask about someone's health, etc. For example, she asked after all her old friends. Now let's deal with ask for. Ask for has 2 usages. Let's deal with the first one first. Ask for means to request to see or speak to. For example, he asked for the manager. The second usage of ask for is an informal one. It means to act in such a way as to cause something bad. For example, he misbehaved with the boss. That's why he was fired. He was asking for it. Now let's talk about for the asking. For the asking refers to something that's freely available if one makes a simple request. For example, these books are yours for the asking. So once again, we talked about 3 expressions using ask. Ask after someone, which means to ask about someone's health, etc. Ask for has 2 usages, meaning number 1, to request to see or speak to, meaning number 2, to act in such a way as to cause something bad. We also talked about for the asking, which refers to something that's freely available if one makes a simple request. I hope you got to learn something new. If you like the video, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, this is RB signing off.